Tropical Storm Wind Signal number 2 ang pinakamataas na babala na nakataas ngayon sa ilang panig ng bansa dahil sa bagyong Enteng. Sa maraming lugar sa bansa, magdamag ang pag-ulan. Ramdam ang epekto niyan sa ilang kalsada sa Metro Manila.
Every community faces environmental challenges. Our community, we see the impacts of environmental neglect. Litter in our school, pollution in our waterways, and high energy consumption. These issues not only harm our environment but also affect our health and quality of life. Our local river isn't as clean as it used to be. It's worrying for our future.
Lumalabas sa pag-aaral na ang single-use plastic pa rin ang nangungunang uri ng plastic waste na nagpaparumi sa Manila Bay. Kaya naman may matinding panawagan ang mga eksperto.
Our community is already taking steps to address these issues. Start with the basic: reduce, reuse, and recycle. By cutting down on single-use plastics, reusing items and properly recycling, you help minimize waste and reduce pollution. Together, we can build a cleaner, greener community. Every small action counts and every effort makes a difference. Join us in making our community a better place for today and for future generations.